In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful puff stitch flower with no gaps in between the petals, and it's still on my hook because I'm going to be making a bookmark with this. So I'm going to be making a chain of these. If you would like to stick around when you've done your puff stitch flower, make the bookmark with me, I would love that. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using a cotton blend yarn. I got this locally, but this is really similar to Rico Rumi or any amigurumi cotton, and a 3mm hook. We're going to start with a slip knot, and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take your hook and pop it into the first chain, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through that loop on your hook, and that is the middle of your flower. Now we are going to pull this part out, and this is going to be the start of our first petal. I'm going to make them about 1.5 centimeters or about ½ inch because I want really dinky dainty flowers. And then all you're going to do is make a puff stitch. So you're going to yarn over and pop your hook into the center hole. Don't get it confused with this hole here. So into the center hole, pull up a loop, and then you're going to do that 3 more times. So yarn over, and pull up, and you're looking for 9 loops on your hook. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops now. So just 1 more time, yarn over, pop into the middle and pull up. Okay, you now have the basis of your first petal. You have 9 loops on your hook, and you are going to yarn over and pull through all 9 of those loops. Try not to touch the petal too much because it will kind of go a bit messy like on top here. So just try not to touch it if you can. And then you're going to chain to finish off that petal. Okay. There you go. That's your first petal, and it's very pretty. And we're going to do 5 petals for your flower. And instead of chaining now, we are going to turn the petal on its side. And you can see there's 2 stitches down here, okay? And we are going to single crochet in each of these stitches. So we're going to pop the hook into this first one here and single crochet. And then pop the hook into this one here and do another single crochet. And that will make sure that you don't have any gaps between your petals. And now you're ready to do the next petal. So yarn over, hook in, pull up a loop. So that's 1, 3 more times, so 2, 3, and 4. Now you have 9 loops on your hook, and you can pull through all of those 9. And then to finish off your petal, just chain 1. You have 2 petals. And now, do you remember what we did before? We're going to flip it on its side, that stitch there. You're going to single crochet into that stitch. So 1, single crochet, and then single crochet. You're ready to do your next petal, so yarn over and go back into that center, yarn over and pull through. That's 1, yarn over, go into the center, yarn over and pull through. That's 2, yarn over, go into the center, yarn over, pull through. That's 3 times you've done that, so it's 1 more time because you've got 7 loops on your hook and you need to do 1 more to make 9. Now you have 9 loops on your hook, you want to pull through all 9, make your lovely 3rd petal, and then nice and tightly just chain. Now if you get frustrated with this, don't worry, I've been frustrated many times with these. It takes a little bit of practice, but it's well worth it. Right, let's find that naughty stitch. So you're going to go into that side stitch, and single crochet, and single crochet again, and then we're going to start our 4th petal. Yarn over, go in again, and again, and 1 more time. You have 9 loops and you will pull through all 9. Then make a lovely chain. Oh, it's a bit more prominent this time. Can you see that little stitch? Still need the needle. Last one, guys. Single crochet, we have 4 petals. How lovely. Right, last one, so yarn over into the middle and pull up, yarn over into the middle and pull up, over into the middle and pull up. I have 7 and I need 9, so 1 more time, and there we go, and pull through all 9, and then chain. All right, we have all of our petals. So for the last time, crocheting, single crochets down here. Go, that's him. There's 1, there's 2, and then we're just going to join to the first stitch, which is this one. Pop our hook in there, and then we're going to slip stitch all the way through, and you have your puff flower with no gaps. I'm going to keep it on the hook because I'm going to be using this to crochet a bookmark, so I'm going to be carrying on with this in the next video, which I will link here, and feel free to join me in that video where I'll be making a whole bookmark with these flowers. I'll see you there.